Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing alright. Yeah, hope you're doing okay. So today I'm in a video again. Let's get it. More videos from a money chip. Let's do it. But anyway, yeah, I've got I've got a new loop kit out now, a free loop kit. So yeah, I'm just gonna yeah, sample some of that and well, yeah. Alright, cool. I think we're set. Whoops. But anyway, yeah. So there's some of the loops. Yeah. Hot water. Hot water is the best. I'm English, but I like my tea, obviously. But we're gonna use this one. But hot water is the one for me. It's better for you as well because there's no caffeine and all that. So yeah. So this is at 160. So another thing that you notice is that it's got the tempo and key, so you can easily tune your 808s and all that. Yeah, and also have it in time. But yeah, we're just gonna copy this all out. Oh, and also yeah, and there's so many things. But anyway, so each loop right has the key, tempo, and the stems bounced out at the end. So yeah, at the end, it's just a stem, so we can just cut that out. So you can sort of reorganize the loop, because I organize it the way I organize it, but if you want to reorganize it, then of course you can do that. So the next thing I want to do is just lay down some drum. I think I'm just gonna do a basic just trap beat. I can't be bothered to do anything else at the moment, so we're just gonna do a trap beat 160. Let's do it. Claps. Now this is off by far, but that took way too long. But just gotta fiddle around with it, especially me, cause like yeah, I'm kind of bad, but yeah, I just gotta definitely fiddle around with it, definitely, like fiddle around with the key. Yeah, that's the. But I'll show you the chord progression I normally use. So it's this. It just goes like this. That's what I do, but it's usually like spread out. So it'd be like this. That's the normal chord progression. But I think I switched up on here, but I can't remember. Anyway. No. Definitely turn the loops down because I think I boosted them up quite high. So definitely make sure you definitely. I can't speak, but yeah, turn them down. That's it. Alright. We're gonna add a kick, but you know, I heard somewhere kicks are dead or something, but I don't really believe in that. And even if they are, to me they're not dead, so I'm gonna keep using them, even if they are dead, cause you know, why not? If I think kick slap, they kick slap. Okay, all right. So that's definitely a tip that I'm gonna give right now. Is if you like it, do it, because you know you gotta stand out, and if no one else is doing it, then you're gonna stand out. But yeah, that's my theory at least. If it's true, it's true. If it's not, it's not. Don't listen to me. But yeah, that's it. I'm just some kid on the internet. But we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna do it like this. Just we're gonna source out this hi-hat pattern. Sourced. You know, sometimes less is more. So that's why taken away is actually adding to the hi-hat pattern. So let me explain it right here. So basically, what you're doing, you're just adding more bounce. Like, listen to this. It's like, what? It moves it forward, it brings it, so it's good. So definitely try this out. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. gonna add, I don't know, I just felt like trying it, and you know, it kind of works, so we're gonna use it. So I think I'm actually gonna pitch this up to 3. Right, and now 1, 2, 3, yeah. Alright, so there's definitely yeah. Let's go mix this down. Get like a little bit of EQ, but it's already done, to be honest, so yeah. And we did actually pitch it up, so oh damn. So the EQ will actually, yeah, the EQ will actually be alright. I need to sort my camera. I'll do it in the full next video, definitely 100%. But yeah. Alright, cool, that's good. Just gonna split by channel right here. Didn't really need to do this right now, but it's whatever. So we're just gonna level this down a little bit. I always like to put the melodies down just slightly lower than drums, and we're just gonna level everything down to like here. It's good enough. And we're just gonna boost the gain up because yeah. So what this is the kick and 808. This is where they're gonna hit the most. So boost them up, and then just and right here's where usually the vocals will sit. So yeah, just cut this out from the melodies, or like just the general, and it just makes it way cleaner when a vocal tries to sit on it, and a soft clipper. That's it. Oh, that's fire. So we're just gonna copy these out. Let's go. Let's delete it here. Delete. Keep that. Delete. 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 Yeah, that's the beat. Organize. Let me actually explain that for you real quick. So basically, this is like intro, whatever. This would be like the hook. I don't even know, to be honest. But yeah, this could be like the pre-hook sort of thing, and then this will be the hook, and then that would be the verse, but including this. So it would be actually organize it like this. So then I'll copy the whole thing over like this. Yeah. I'll move this here, and we'll get the hi-hats and just play them out, and then yeah, that could be the verse. Just drop it out like this, and yeah. And then this is intro, pre-hook, whatever. This is where like mumble or whatever, and then this is the hook, and this can be the verse, and yeah, just repeats. Yeah, cool. So yeah, this is play out. This is the beat. Let me add my tag first. Very important. Always add your tag. Okay, always do that. So this is my tag. It's gonna boost up right here. Turn it down. So yeah, this is the beat. Thanks for watching. What? This video is so bad, like what? I'm trying to be like promoting a product and I'm like, what? But anyway, yeah. Free beat right now. Check it out, free loop kit actually. Link in the description, and also post another video like at the same time as this where I just preview the loops and all that, whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching. I mean, check out that loop kit, and yeah, check out my Instagram at wonderchip_ for more announcements and all that stuff. So yeah, definitely check that out. So yeah, I'm gonna play the loop out, but yeah, if you like the video, subscribe and press like, because yeah, and if you disliked it, dislike it as well. Go on then, and there you. Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyway, I'm gonna play this out. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Hey, yo,